KACE Systems Management Appliance Review. Honest user experience and expert insights. Managing dozens or even hundreds of computers across a business can quickly turn into chaos. That's where KACE Systems Management Appliance steps in. But does it really deliver on its promise of simplifying its management? Here's my honest review and experience after using KACE in a real-world environment. At its core, KACE is designed to automate key functions like deploying software, managing patches, tracking assets, and ensuring system compliance. What impressed me most is how centralized everything feels. Instead of juggling multiple tools, KACE brings inventory, deployment, and security into one intuitive dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They think KACE is only for big enterprises. But even medium-sized organizations can benefit from its modular design. The inventory feature automatically detects all devices connected to your network, saving hours of manual tracking. It even identifies unauthorized devices, which is a lifesaver for security teams. The patch management system is another highlight. It continuously scans for vulnerabilities and pushes updates automatically, ensuring every endpoint is secure and compliant. In my experience, this reduced downtime significantly and gave our team breathing room to focus on higher-level projects. However, setup can be a bit technical at first. The initial learning curve might intimidate smaller teams, and the pricing can be high for startups. But once configured, the platform runs like a well-oiled machine. Overall, KACE lives up to its reputation as a powerhouse for its management. It's not the cheapest or simplest option, but for organizations serious about automation, compliance, and efficiency, it's worth every penny.